Business School Admissions。我们来看一下这一道题。首先，大家把视频暂停一下，用大概30秒到40秒的时间，把整段话呢先通读一遍。好，我们来看第一部分。Business School 这个单词不要念成了 business， 这个 I 是不发音的 ，OK， 是 business。Business School Admissions Officers 这是一个整体，所以这里呢我们千万不要有停顿。Business School Admissions Officers， 好，一个 pause。Said the OK 这个 d 做出口型，不要读成 said the 是错的。Said the new drive to attract 这个 t 弱化 to attract younger students was in part the 对不对？这个 t 弱化 was in part the result was in part the t 口型一定要做到位，这个 part 这个 t 口型做出来 OK part in part the result of a realization that realization 前面停顿一个从句 that 这个 t 弱化 that they had inadvertently 重音在 v 这儿 inadvertently limited their applicant pool limited their applicant pool 这个 t 弱化不是 applicant pool OK applicant pool by requiring several years work experience OK 这个单词很多人会读成 requiring OK 一定要注意 requiring 没有这个 ing 是 require 对不对 Alright 我们看到哪里停顿第一处在 said 的前面第二处呢在这个 that 第三处呢我们需要停吗 They had inadvertently limited the applicant pool by 的前面我们来读一下Business school admissions officers said the new drive to attract younger students was in part the result of a realization that they had inadvertently limited their applicant pool by requiring several years' work experience. 下面第二部分 talented OK 不要读成 talented 是 talented students who might otherwise who might这个 t 不是 might otherwise 你要读成 might 没有问题这个 t 呢要非常非常迅速非常非常的弱 who might otherwise have gone to business school instead 这个 d 不要读 instead 是错的 instead opted for a law or policy degree tiny pause because they were intimidated不是 intimidated OK intimidated by the expectation of 连在一起 by the expectation of work experience 这个 K 很弱对不对我没有读成 work experience 很弱但你不能读成 work experience 是错的这个 K 一定要有这个音 OK 我们把第二部分读一下Talented students who might otherwise have gone to business school instead opted for a law or policy degree because they were intimidated by the expectation of work experience. 好，两部分连在一起读一下。Business school admissions officers said the new drive to attract younger students was in part the result of a realization that they had inadvertently limited their applicant pool by requiring several years' work experience.Talented students who might otherwise have gone to business school instead opted for a law or policy degree because they were intimidated by the expectation of work experience. All right. Thank you, guys.